Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will explain how to make a deposit on the Cryptaris platform. The first step is to log into your online back office and go to the Transaction section, then click on the Make a Deposit tab. Now, choose the amount you want to deposit on the platform. A QR code and a deposit address will appear on the screen. All you have to do next is go to your Binance account or any other crypto platform to make a withdrawal in USDT using the TRC20 network. Do not close this page until the transfer is complete. You can view your deposit in the Transaction tab, then My Wallet. Once the deposit has successfully arrived, go to the Investment category and select your pack. If you encounter any difficulties in completing the transaction on your own, reach out to the person who sent you this video or your sponsor. Thank you for your attention and good luck with Cryptaris.